back to another episode of Growing with Lala's Crops. So today, you guys, I will be showing you how I made these lovely cardboard collars for my cabbages and collard green plants. If you want to see why I'm using this technique on my brassicas, then keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have not already done so, please do not forget to hit that red notification button so that you can get notified once I post a new video. Thank you guys for always supporting my videos. Today's video is going to be about making cabbage collars. Recently, I experienced some damage to one of my cabbage plants that I had to remove and regrow a whole new plant. Basically, the cabbage root fly is like this fly that lays larvae at the base of the plants, and once they had these little small white worms work their way down into the soil, and you know, they just eat at the roots. And so far, you guys, I've been using my netting to cover up this whole raised bed, but I do need to get the hoops though, because my collars are starting to get, you know, a little taller. Like before, everything was just seedlings, so just covering the plants up, you know, at soil level was sufficient enough. But now things are growing, you know, a little taller, so I eventually do need to get like the little hoops. But I'm trying to see if that's something that I really want to do, because I just like all my plants out in the open. But the netting has been helping out with preventing the pests, especially like the cabbage lopers. As you see, you do not see any holes in my cabbages or collards, you guys. So I'm trying to debate if I want to actually go out and get like the little hoops to keep this raised bed covered, to continue to protect the cabbages and the collards. My goal is to get these collards 3 feet tall again. I will be using cardboard boxes to make me some cabbage collars to prevent the cabbage root fly from damaging the cabbages. And I'm going to also put them around my collards for you guys. So I have a lot of brassicas in the garden at the moment, so today I'm just focusing on this raised bed, and then, you know, I'll go from this one to the next one to the next one. I only have 3 right now, but yeah, I'm not doing all of the raised beds today. So basically, I have 6 cabbage plants in here and about 5 collard plants in here, and then I also have like a kale plant. I do have another cardboard box on the patio that is like a larger box. So I just wanted to basically demonstrate using this cardboard box. This is a little smaller, and you know, I want it to be outside so that I can show you guys how I place it around the cabbage plant. So I have this cardboard box that I kept from a package that I received. Yeah, I'm gonna do this side in the mail. I'm gonna use the base of this plant pot. The size of this pot will be a nice size to apply around the cabbages and the collards. I'm going to use this as a guide to just, you know, do my circle and then cut it out, and then I'll show you guys what else I do. All right. You got a little messy over here, but you guys get what I'm trying to do. Okay, let's do this one. Place it right there. Uh-oh. Get it right. I haven't traced in years, you guys. All right, I got 2 circles, and then we'll do this one. Okay, so now basically what I'm going to do is just cut this out. Got my little baby scissors, should have got a little better, some better scissors, but it is what it is. All right, so like I said, I'm just going to cut this circle out. Now you guys, if you don't want to do this option, you can buy some cabbage collars I think I saw some on Amazon. Eventually, this cardboard will down into your soil, which is part of composting. I will have to keep you guys updated to see how long that process will take before I will need to, make new ones, new cabbage collars. I just basically think this is a great option for me right now. It's free. So look at that, you guys, a perfect circle. All right, so that's the second one, and then do this is the last one. Okay, so I just cut the remaining of the circles off camera. So now the last step is basically gonna cut down the middle, like halfway, midway, so that this can wrap around the plants. And that's basically it, you guys. I'll show you how I wrap them around the plants, and yeah. So this is what the back looks like, and you can like remove the soil, but that's what the back looks like. And then of course the front. So yeah, now we have a cabbage collar, you guys. So like I said, that's going to just help prevent the cabbage root fly from laying any eggs that could possibly, penetrate down into the soil. So I'm gonna do the rest, and that will be it. Make sure that you are gentle enough. And I like to go back in and just pinch it back around. I'm going to remove these bottom leaves so that's a little bit easier for me. All right, here we go. There we go. All right, got 2 more cabbages. All right, we got that one in. Check the back. Make sure the soil is off. Oopsie. Okay. Last but not least, cut this off. The other ones are fine. You may have to scrape some of the soil back so that you can get the collar around the plant. All right, this is the last one, you guys. You may have to separate the cardboard a little bit also, so that it's a little bit more flexible. So that it's a little bit more flexible going around your plants. You don't want to harm your stems, but what you are trying to do is just protect it. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you how I recycled my cardboard boxes to make these brassica collars, you guys. This is a great and natural way to help prevent the cabbage root fly and the cabbage maggots from killing your plants, you guys. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that bell notification below this video so that you can get notified once I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. As always, happy gardening. Peace.